Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 24 of your 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step 24 is to test the AC starting components. So just like your vehicle, when you turn the key and the starter engages and turns the engine over so the engine will start running and you can drive away, this air conditioner has starting components inside of it as well. We have a contactor that helps start in some cases, and in some cases helps keep it running depending on what kind of air conditioner you have. And then we also have things that are called hard start kits that help give it a jolt to start up. When these parts and pieces aren't working right or they're outside of their microfarad specification, the unit creates more amp draw. More amp draw means more money to the utility company that you don't need to spend. So getting these components inspected and making sure that they're there and working properly is really important, because we want this thing to run at peak efficiency all the time. If it falls outside of the manufacturer's specification, not only do you pay the utility company more, but you also run the risk of popping the capacitor, is the easiest way to put that. We see these sometimes where they mushroom and explode, and that's because the microfarads inside there have been drained out like a battery, and then they pop, and then the unit doesn't run anymore. Or you get the compressor running and the fan doesn't run, and then the compressor overheats and goes into a thermal lockout, and it's very hard to get them back up and running in a quick time. So really important that you have all your starting components checked out, because we want to make sure that when you start this thing up, you can get it running, just like you want to make sure when you start your car, you can drive away. So please get your tune-up done and then follow it up with continued maintenance on an annual basis.